For the person who wants the look of a traditional dual exhaust system with all the benefits that a Flowmaster catback system provides, our American Thunder dual-out rear systems are the perfect choice. This system fits the 1998 to 2002 Chevy Camaro and Pontiac Firebirds with the 5-liter and 5.7-liter V8 engines. The 409 stainless steel system features 3-inch mandrel bent tubing and follows the factory routing into a specially designed Flowmaster 80 series cross-flow muffler. These are topped off by full-length polished 304 stainless tips. American Thunder systems deliver a moderate to aggressive interior and exterior tone and are suited to the enthusiast who wants their performance to be heard.